If you show me.
Look at page 76 of the hearing testimony. You can go up there.
So what was your question again?
Did Shanna Gardner indicate to you that Mario Fernandez said that there were missed opportunities with regard to Jared Bridegan?
I don't see those words here. Oh, well, maybe down here, maybe. That was a question.
What was your answer?
I don't see an answer here. I said, my answer is, I heard the whole hearing, so I did hear the statements. I don't see where I answered that question.
Well, if you keep going, you do. 18, 19, page 77, lines 18 through 25.
Depending on the question, I guess it's possible, but I don't think so.
Okay. Now, turning to page 78, lines 5 through 7, do you recall the statement? We'll just do it like that, it's quicker.
Okay.
That there was a delay based on COVID?
My answer was, I never said anything about a delay in killing Jared because I never had any knowledge of Jared being killed or planned to kill him.
And then lines 13 through 16?
Not long after that, Mario had made a statement that he never goes anywhere. Neither did anyone else in COVID. Like it just didn't seem. You know what I mean?
I'm going to ask you a couple more statements and then we'll be done. Do you remember it was made shortly before Jared Bridegan's killing?
Can you be more specific?
Hawaii.
I remember talking to you about Hawaii.
Okay. Tell, for the record, and tell the court what you remember Shanna Gardner telling you.
Shanna told me that they were getting divorced and how they were going to go about that as far as the kids were concerned. And at some point, Mario asked her if she wanted him to take care of anything, and she said, Jared, and he said, or she said, absolutely not. I don't want anything to happen.
So say that again since you kind of mixed it up.
What did I mix up?
Take care of who?
He asked if there was anything Shanna wanted him to take care of, and she said Jared, and then she said absolutely not.
Okay, so who said Jared?
Shanna.
Okay, so I want to break down. Mario Fernandez says, is there anything you want me to do to take care of?
Correct.
And then she said Jared.
Yes.
And then Mario said okay.
Mario didn't say anything. She said no.
And then she said no.
She said absolutely not is what she said.
And this is what Shanna Gardner is relaying to you a week or so before the homicide.
I can't be sure. I told you originally that I wasn't 100% sure which trip that was, because every trip had something to do with divorce in the couple of years prior.
But you know when the murder was.
I do.
And you were aware of this statement a couple of weeks before the murder.
If it was that trip, but I said I couldn't be sure because there were many trips.
Okay. All right, Your Honor, that's all the questions I have.
Just so that I'm clear, and y'all can ask whatever questions you need to after the fact. So the Hawaii trip, when you said they are getting a divorce, you mean Ms. Gardner and Mr. Fernandez?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Ms. Jensen, good morning.
Good morning.
I only have a few questions for you. Be very clear. This is what Miss Gardner is telling you,
Yes,
a conversation that she had with her husband.
yes,
You have no doubt in your mind that Mario Fernandez did not know that she was sharing these things with you, correct?
correct.
And Mr. Fernandez you have never heard any of the words that you testified to regarding this last conversation, and most of your testimony, that Mr. Fernandez wasn't present for that. That's what Ms. Gardner was reporting to you that her husband told her, correct?
Yes,
And even that last statement, you don't know what Hawaii trip it happened on, do you?
I don't.
And there were many Hawaii trips, correct?
There were.
And divorce was something that was talked about from time to time with you and Ms. Gardner, correct?
Yes,
Regardless of how quickly they got married, Mr. Fernandez loved those children, right? That's what you believed?
I believe that.
He was an active and engaged stepfather?
He was.
And Mr. Mizrahi didn't ask you in those statements the questions in between all the different questions, but you would agree you kept telling Mr. Mizrahi that Mr. Fernandez just wanted to keep Ms. Gardner safe. That's what he was referring to in all those questions, right?
Yes.
I don't think I need anything else, Your Honor.
I just want to make sure, so the questions by the defense, those are specifically related to Hawaii? The Hawaii statement?
And all the other statements that Ms. Jensen said that Mr. Fernandez was not present for. That's what was
That's the problem. So I don't know that the defense needs to do it, but that is the purpose of the ruling. It's not necessarily all these statements. It's the circumstances surrounding the statements that.
I totally agree. That's why
I don't know anything about that to make a ruling. It's the circumstances for which the statements occur.
Circumstances under which the statement occurred, there's a state theory, two-pronged way why this comes in.
I understand the state's second theory, that it's about child custody. However, I want to be clear. I think about 45% of her testimony could be admissible. I find probably 3 statements that she couldn't make. I don't